How can you use technology to your advantage and gain an edge no one else has in the market? Tony Hall, founder and CEO of Welaptega Marine, shares his strategies in this POB interview.
From a business development point of view, we have, right from day one, have always occupied non-competitive niches. We do not go into competition with anybody and just try to do it better. We look for gaps in the marketplace. What is it they don't understand about moorings? What is it about damage to pipelines that no one can seem to get their handle on? And then we say, what technologies could give us that? And that's where we start looking for analogs in other industries. It comes down to the business case, and if you can build a strong business case for a need for information, then that then drives the technology into that marketplace. So really, when it comes down to it, it's economics. We need to be able to show that using our technology and the benefits of using that technology will end up giving information that has a traceable economic impact, positive economic impact on whatever the business operations are of whatever the particular client is and what they're doing, what they're trying to achieve. You can flap your hands in the air and tell people how wonderful things are and how much better their lives are going to be and how much better quality the information is, but until they see the bottom line, they're a little bit dubious. Technology is one thing, but it's just an object. It's how you use the technology and how do you pass on the knowledge and the experience of someone who's become very good at using that technology as their relationship with it has evolved. So a big part of our investment is not just in the technology, but it's also in the training of the technology, building a knowledge base around that. We acknowledge right from day one when we take a new piece of technology on that this is not a static item. This thing is going to evolve. And it may mean that in 6 months' time, the first unit we buy goes straight out, goes on the shelf, and we have to move on to the next. If there's a gap in the marketplace and you're the first one to fill it, you will get benefit from that. All you can do when you're identifying that gap is just try to collect as much information as you can. And again, that comes down to how much effort you put into research, who are the people you got, how good are they at lateral thinking, how imaginative and creative are they. We just set people loose on research projects. Just go find out what you can. Lots of brainstorming, lots of mind mapping, breaking things down. Once you find a little hook, it's amazing how that just becomes like a fractal. It just suddenly spreads out like a tree, and you have all these tendrils going off in different directions. And next thing you know, you've got a file with a whole bunch of information on technologies that might be applicable.
To learn more about Welaptega's approach to 3D technology, read the article Twists and Turns in POB's August 2011 issue at pobonline.com.